Take a look at this spectacular 11,000 square foot custom home in La Jolla that has 6 beds and 9 bathrooms. If you'd like a private tour, reach out. All of my information is throughout this video and the description. Enjoy. Welcome to the Scenic Oasis, a brand new 11,000 square foot resort style estate built over half an acre and fully developed on a lot in San Diego's La Jolla community. This is a one-of-a-kind property offering unique features including a foyer lounge, dual master suites, and a second floor pool with a 12-foot waterfall. Experience hilltop sunsets with coastline and ocean views from this reverse living floor plan and custom terraced backyard. Enjoy a luxury home fully adorned with high-end finishes, including natural stone and polished brass accents throughout. Appreciate a full-size residential elevator for easy access to the first floor lounge, gym, courtyard, guest suite, and more. 3 kitchen and bar areas with Wolf-Subzero appliances throughout, including an elegant primary kitchen meticulously designed with marble, quartzite, brass, and stainless steel finishes, complementing the high-level custom finishes throughout the home. This is La Jolla's largest new construction craftsman estate and the perfect home for year-round entertainment and enjoyment of the coastal lifestyle.